To master AI-assisted development, shift from intuitive prompting to systematic engineering. Adopt the senior engineer persona by defining the role clearly in every prompt. By acting as a peer rather than a tool, you ensure the AI focuses on architectural standards and stable code. Integrate the run verify loop into your workflow. Always conclude your prompts with run tests after. This mandatory verification step catches regressions early, reducing iteration cycles by 60%. Use the smallest safe fix constraint to prevent unnecessary rewrites. Instruct your AI to isolate the root cause and explain it before touching any code. Focus on the smallest possible diff to keep the codebase predictable and stable. By following this structured engineering first approach, you transform the AI into a powerful extension of your development team, ensuring efficiency and high quality outputs in every sprint. To turn your repository into a self explaining system, create a Claude MD file at your project root. This acts as the primary source of truth, detailing your stack, architectural decisions, and testing procedures. Supplement this by providing examples of preferred code structure. This is known as few-shot prompting, which helps the model maintain consistent team style. Finally, prioritize context discovery. Ask the AI to map the dependency tree or identify relevant files before attempting complex refactors. By scoping your requests, you increase the accuracy of generated solutions by over 40%.